So guess who's back for their retide? It's the little one. So, oh man, we're sitting here trying to figure out how many weeks it's been. It's either been 7, September 13th. And look at those curls. And this is her new growth. And she has a little bit of slippage back here in the back. And we're just going to put her new locks back in. Perfectly normal. Perfectly normal. And here's the other side. Look at that. See that new growth? Grid is still there. So this is just the before. And then I'm going to post the after of once we get finished doing her retight. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Okay. Oh, and of course, hey, the gang's all here. Here comes Sienna. Princess Sienna! Hey, Gigi. All right. Children's installs, children's friendly environment. All right, Candy Sweet Beauty.